Okay, so I just woke up and I'm about to go to my first competition. I have to be up at 7 in the morning right now though, so I'm like, yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the venue. I can't right now. McDonald's. They have no lids. We're at the venue. How? I have to find somewhere to sit.
How do you get a food?
It's honestly kind of crazy. I just put T-Bow Cube for that venue, but whatever. Oh, we're waiting for the new competitor tutorial. There's a big he's over there somewhere. This is the venue's medium sized. I guess it's not that big, but still cool. There's people everywhere though.
Nathan, if you have any questions, you can ask us. We'll competitors and anybody else who would like to help out with judging. What is it? I don't know.
We're in 3x3 group 1.
Okay, and then trying to find you.
Round 1 of 3x3. I did alright. I don't know. I'll see if I make round 2. I think I'm judging next though. Okay, so I just finished judging and this is, now they're in group 3. I'm not judging group 3 because I judged group 2. But I'm just waiting for a 2x2 round 1 group 1. And everyone's competing right now. did 2 by 2 idea enough to solve, but I think I got a 6 average, and I'm judging 2 by 2, group 2 now. There's no down there. Oh, yeah. Subscribe to him. And Will Cubes, I think it is. But yeah. Okay, bye. 178. Where's Tebow? We got a 6, nice. I've been judging 4 by 4. Yeah. Okay, bye bye. It's almost lunchtime. Okay, we're on the way to. Oh, what just happened? Okay. We're on the way to lunchtime. Come on, bro. Sub-minute pizza eat. Please. No. Alright, it's scoop time. Practicing for an hour. Ready?
Numbers are called 7.
They called me up on my Sunday that I wasn't even scrambled, so I gotta wait again. Ready? One solve left. I'm either gonna get sub 10 average or I'm gonna get worst possible average. I feel like, oh heaven, I need round 2.
For now, 17.
Alright, I just finished judging for a cube. It's 5 by 5. I'm not judging or anything. I'm just gonna chill until 08. Ready?
Seconds. Overall PB, that's good. That's a PO level. That's even the.
Dina. I'm judging one-handed now. Okay, so I judged 4x4 finals and skew finals, and I'm just doing Pira because I don't have any finals, but I'm just gonna judge the rest of the time, I guess. 5x5 finals. Let's see if it's faster. No, he's getting faster. Yep. Okay, so I just judged for basically all the finals. It's 2x2 and 3x3 finals I just did, but and I did skew finals before that. What else did I do? Oh, I did OH finals. Okay, I just left the comp a few minutes ago. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home or something. It's only like my third ever time going to a Wawa. Okay, I got slushy, salt and vinegar chips, white chocolate Kit Kat, and I got combos. Okay, ready?
For this now. Yeah.
Okay, look. What do I do? What's my OLO?
Do a U prime?
Oh, you prime.
Okay. I think do a U2 and do an anti soon. Remember the headlight case?
Oh.
On the OLO?
Okay, which POO?
G-firm, do a U prime, do a U prime.
Oh, U prime?
You.
Oh, you?
You. They do a T-firm. Then you.
I forgot to reset the timer!